Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. A quick one, let's do this. Alright, I just want to give you a quick recipe for a face cream. A face cream, when I mean face cream that you will use at any time, day or night, you will use perfectly. And if it doesn't work, call me back, call me back or shout me back. I will send you your money. It's a secret I'm just giving to you. Just follow everything that I said. All right, first of all, for us to achieve this base cream, there are some additives you must add. If you don't add them, meaning the face cream, you're not gonna get it the way I said. All right, and if you do it, if it doesn't work, chat me, I will give you the money. Very, very, very easy. All right, a quick one, let's begin. First of all, we are using 3 products for our basic, our basic cream base. So this is it. We are using our quick clear, and also we are using our la also for our base cream. When we say our base cream, in every lotion, whatever you are producing, there must be a base. If there's no base, it's not going to work the way I said it. So a quick one, let's drive again. And also we'll be adding this also. Remember I said we're using quick clear for one, and we're also using our la. So we're using these 2 face cream, and also we're adding carotene. Do not forget that carotene. So people, they might tell you this, that, oh, actually I'm allergic to this. Okay, quick one. If you are allergic to this, meaning you can just take this out. But if you're not, add it to it. That is that these 3 must be there, because this one is, they easily work in a way you use them. Like if you activate them fast, they work. Other than that, they are just toning. When you use them gradually, they are toning product. When they say they are toning product or they are whitening product, not because you're just using them. That is the trick they tell you. They don't want to open to you. When they say, yeah, it's good, you will use, it's not gonna work. That is it. Sorry if I offend anybody, I'm just telling you. But there are some things you use to spark it up that it will work for you. Said you're just gonna add this one into your face cream. This is a skin perfector, all right? So this is what I asked you to. I just put just 1 spoon of it, 1 spoon, and after that, you will not add your clean cap. This is it, the cream. We have the gel. Let me show you. This is the gel. Some people, they said they like the gel. Some people, they said they like the cream. But as for me, because of the additive I want to use, I prefer to use this one of the cream type. All right, this one is actually faster than this. All right, not when you just use it, because that's the question you ask me now. Can I just use it on my face? Some people, they ask some funny question. Not when you just use it, meaning to just work. You must use some additive to activate it. All right, use this one. You just use this one. Use at least, just cut it into 2. You just look at the tube, use half of it. All right, now after this, you cannot add your this is your vitamin E. You open 2, break 2 on it, 2 of your tablet. You know what I mean? Just 2 of it. It will just do good for us. All right, then you add your Amos White. Also, Amos White, I advise you to use half, because they are also effective. Mostly the original. When is the original? It's very effective. All right, use half. Now I think for me, I was okay. Now I've gotten a face cream. But some people, they might say, I'm allergic to this, I'm allergic to that. All right, because of you being allergic, your face is always prone to acne, your face is always prone to this. I will always advise you, when you add some tubes to your face cream, you should consider the kind of tubes you're adding. All right, it's rather for you to use activators, good activators, than tubes. All right, other than that, I will advise you to add this Koji Clear. Just put just small. When I say small, so it's not even up to a tablespoon. Just make sure you put just not up to a tablespoon to activate the face cream. Then there's something I want to show you that just came to the market now that you've not seen it. Look at it. Berry skin milk. This is a whitening. Like we have skin free milk. I always use skin free milk a lot, or skin free. I always use those one a lot. But when I discovered this, I tell you, this is what I started using. When you say, if you want your lotion to be activated, that you want to see this because it's mild but work very fast. Look at it. Berry Skin Milk is a new product in the market now. If you know that you've not been using this, or you'll be using skin free milk, you'll be using skin free, you're wasting time. Use this product and you will see the result. All I just want you to do, put one cover inside to replace your skin free milk, to replace your skin free or any of those serum. Use this one. Berry Skin Milk is original. Use it. I just discovered this and it's working. It's really working. I won't lie to you, it's working. Okay, use it. Add one cover. That's what I said. Add one cover of this Berry Skin Free Milk to activate this face cream. Then after that, you will not add your Citro Clear. Just add 1 spoon. 1 spoon. For those of you who don't know Citro Clear, look at it. Just add 1 spoon. All right. Now, for you to say I'm allergic to, my face might be prone to redness, we've not put anything that is harsh here that will make you say, okay, my face might be prone to redness, or no. You can, for that anyway, to prevent that, you might just add this 1 spoon and blend properly. I think with that we've okay with the face cream. But if you say no, this face cream I want to make is a whitening, 100% whitening, then here comes the Blend Pro 9. If you know this face cream is not just toning, you want it to be a pure whitening. Look at it. If it's not this one, if you not this one, no be Blend Pro 9. What Blend Pro 9 is only found in one place. So all you just need to do, just get this Blend Pro 9 just like this. So just like this 50 ml, put them inside, then blend. Autumn, you cannot put your preservative. Put preservative just 1 spoon, blend properly, then begin to use money at night. The face cream. If you no work, call me. I will pay all your expenses for you've made about that face cream. But I just tell you what you will do. If you follow the way I said, all of those products I just mentioned, and you follow the process and add this Blend Pro 9, it will go from toning to a 100% whitening. See, if you know work, call me. I'll give you the money. All right. So that is we've come to the end of this class. So that is how to make a smart face cream, a whitening face cream, or a toning face cream. If you don't want to make it a whitening, you can just avoid this. All right. It can only just give you that evil tone. Yes. But you want to get 7 shades, you want to get more than that, you just want to get whitening, just add this. Come on, I've been telling you about Blend Pro now, you all get it. Okay, so it is very simple. We've come to the end of the review, so don't forget the sales is still on. Our sale is still on. So all what you just do, just go to our website and just place your order, or you can just chat us via the number on your screen on WhatsApp. All right, so bye bye.